tell you what, guys, I don't know about you, but I am really digging these DeWalt Double Life blades. I cut the whole front end off that car with one blade. If you watch the video, you know I just cut that whole thing. I never changed it out the whole time, and now it's missing a few teeth, and I definitely overheated it on that last cut. But man alive, I mean, considering how badly most blades perform and how easy they are to break, I am really impressed with these guys right here. They do a nice job. For what it's worth, there you go.